guys, welcome back to our channel. Kristen here. I'm so excited to draw with you this cute little puppy today. So let's go ahead and get started. All you're gonna need is a pencil for this first step. I'm just drawing with a Sharpie so you can see it really well. Let's first start off with a perfect circle. If it's not perfect, don't worry guys. We just need 2 of them for the puppy's eyes. Okay, next up, let's add on the highlights to make our eyes look really cute. Don't forget the bottom arch. That's where the color's gonna go. And to make them look extra cute, let's add on an eyelash to each one. Awesome. All right, a couple little eyebrows, or just a hint of them, and we're already ready for the nose. We're just adding on an upside down triangle with rounded edges. That'll give the puppy a perfect shaped nose. Let's add on a little highlight and fill it in. Awesome job guys. We're getting there. Now we're going to add on the mouth. The easiest way to do it is to make a J and then a backwards J. It's just a little stretched out. See how I did that? Now let's add on the tongue, a really long U with a little line for the crease, and we'll finish up the rest of the mouth. Don't forget to color it in. Okay, now it's time for the top of the head. I'm gonna give it a little curl just to make it look extra cute. Time for the ears. Try your very best on this step, guys. It's a little difficult. So we're gonna make a little bit of an arched motion at the top and almost come down to an upside down triangle, but we're gonna curl it just a little bit. I would recommend making 2 little polka dots so you don't go past where you're supposed to go. Looking good guys. Now we're gonna bring it up and stop almost at the eyelash and pick it back up again. So bring it up almost to the eyelash and bring it back up. Awesome, looks great. I love giving myself dots. It's almost like a measurement. So this is gonna be our collar. So bring it from one side to the other. Do that again. And don't forget to connect it. You guys got this next step. Okay, now let's add on the scruff of the neck. And what shape do you want your name tag to be? It could be a heart, a star. I think I'm gonna do a dog bone. Just follow along the best you can. Let's go ahead and start adding on our front legs and paws. Awesome. Keep going guys, we're almost there. Let's go ahead and finish up the outside of the body. And time for our paws. We're getting so close now guys. Just a few more steps and we're gonna be finished up. Okay, the last thing to do is a nice long fluffy tail and we'll get ready to color it in. It looks so good guys. What do you think? Oh yeah, and don't forget, if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you'll be reminded when our videos go live. Alright, but let's go ahead and start coloring in this cute puppy. You guys can go ahead and color it in whatever colors you want, but I'm going to just do a quick example of a golden retriever, and you can follow along if you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and start by filling up the entire face, and then I'm going to show you guys how to shade it. We'll go in with a darker shade of tan just to give it a little bit more depth. Just hang in there, I'm almost ready. And while I finish this up, I just wanted to give a shout out to my friend Lucy F. She loves puppies, and I really wanted to make this video for her. Alright, grab your darker tan, and we're going to start shading in the ears, the bottom of the puppy's chin, and just a little bit here and there. He's starting to look so cute. Alright, let's finish up the body really quick, and I'm going to show you once again how to shade, and then we'll move on to the collar and the bone. Oh, and we can't forget those beautiful blue eyes. Alright, I almost forgot that tail. Don't forget it. I decided to leave mine blonder on the tips. That way it really looks nice and golden. And here I go blending, or rather shading, in with our darker tan. I decided on a purple collar. I just thought it would pop really nicely against the yellow. Make sure you get that tongue nice and pink. And our nice blue eyes, sky blue. I'm going to go in with just a really light tan, just to give some little hair marks, just so our puppy looks nice and fluffy. Don't forget the bone, and then we're all set. I really love how our cute puppy turned out today. What do you guys think? I just want to give him a nice little rub on the head. He is just too cute. Alright, well thanks for hanging out with me today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!